6. Sentence 6 is please come and see us before you. The verb is go. So we will put go because you is the second person, so we will not add s or es with go. Sentence 7. As soon as the work dash finish, I shall leave. Verb form is be and the be first form is because in present indefinite tense we will add first form of verb after the subject. As soon as the work is finished, I shall leave. 8. We cannot start the meal until my father dash home. The verb is home, come, so we will write down my father comes home. The sentence will be like this: we cannot start the meal until my father comes home, because my father is the singular subject, so that's why we will add s or es after come. We will add s after come. 9. Sentence number 9. We can have a rest when we dash home. The verb reach is given over here, so the sentence will be like this: we can have a rest when we reach home. We didn't add s or es after reach because we is the first person, not the third person singular. Number 10. Sentence number 10 is a meal will be waiting when you return. The verb is return, verb is given, so the sentence will be like this: a meal will be waiting when you return. Hope you understand this exercise very well. Let's start the next exercise. Exercise C. Add suitable tenses of the verbs given. Here are 8 sentences. We will write down the correct form of the verb according to the sentences. So let's see the first sentence. When he dashed the bell ring, he hurried to the door. The verb here is given. So when he heard the bell ring, he hurried to the door. Second one. When we dash, the men had gone. The verb return is given. So the correct will be in this way: when we returned, the men had gone. Third. While we dash, the teacher went out. Work. The verb is given, so the correct one is while we were working, the teacher went out. Fourth. As soon as he dashed the flames, he gave the alarm. See, the verb see is given, so the correct sentence will be in this way: as soon as he saw the flames, he gave the alarm. Fifth. While you dash, I was watching you very carefully. The verb play is given. While you were playing, I was watching you very carefully. 6. She usually tells the children a story just before it time for them to go to bed. B. The verb be first form is, so according to the sentence we will write down the first form over there. The sentence will be like this: she usually tells the children a story just before it is time for them to go to bed. Sentence number 7. When he dashed the bicycle, he went for a ride. The verb clean is given over here. When he had cleaned the bicycle, he went for a ride. Sentence number 8. We waited until they finish. The verb finish is given. We waited until they had finished. Hope you understand this exercise very well. We will select all the verbs according to the sentences. If you will feel any difficulty in any exercise, then you can discuss with me anytime. Allah Hafiz class. Have a nice day.